guys, and welcome back to another video on Chipper and Sons on my house. Sorry it's been a little while. It's just that, you know, I've had to do a little bit of stuff. Oh, and I had to leave scenes where I got this owl and another Lumberbot 3.0. Yay! Oh, and I got some petrified wood or perfected wood. Oh, and I built termite colony. And soon I can build the fancy totem. And soon I can build the starfish rock. That's what I'm planning on doing today. Or trying to get it done today. Nothing here, alright. Oh, and if you hear some instrument in the background, it's because I like listening to it, and it's my favorite song. Yeah, Stray Lumber. So we'll be seeing that a lot. You got Blank Blank. Okay, alright, you guys. Oh, and I've also got 2 power-ups. How do I keep getting woods from the Lumberbot 1.0 though, you guys? You have to explain that for me in the comments down below, okay? Alright, so this guy's probably going to give me something. Yeah, seaweed. I'm waiting for him to give me a part for Big Bruce. What is the... My friend told me about Brandon. And it is the... thing. I'm almost done. I can almost build Bruce. I just gotta get 2 more plans. So I'll just build the first thing. Starfish. I just need common starfish, and I get that from you. So, you guys gonna be playing with your friends today? Hopefully, because I am. So, let's see if I can buy anything here. Got 200 tokens. Should I buy the Jumbo Acorn power up? Yeah. Alright, I think that was a good decision. What does this do? Does this give me a chance to get... Alright, come on. Oh, dang it. I'm sure I'll need these stones for that karma thing, but... I mean, look for the starfish rock, but still, I don't really need that. Alright, so I could make all this. No. I still need to make that. Please tell me I feel 1. Yay! Okay, now we can make the crab thing. Plans. Crab banana build. Oh, I still have to build that frog tower. Okay, give me 1 sec, you guys. I want to see what it is. Okay. I need to get enough lumber, and I can build it. Oh, that's what I was saving up for. Dang it! This might be better. I don't know. Maybe that's one of the tasks. I don't know. It might be later. Let's see if I got a jumbo one. Let's see. Alright. Keep going. It'd be hilarious, like, if you're at 100. It goes to 10,000. No, just no. Okay. I keep getting lumber from this guy. Oh yes! The heavy common starfish. Yes. I'm not gonna read this text. I'm just gonna skip it. Okay. 1 more plan, then we can make Big Bruce. Yes. So you can see the thing. I'm thinking maybe getting at least a plan for Big Bruce. But I think I'm a hoop. No, you're not good. You're not good, Sans. Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait, how much is the frog tower? 25 moss, 25 lumber. 25 moss, 25 lumber. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. He's just got lumber. Oh, come on. It doesn't always give us that. I'm gonna pick up this gift. Oh, almost 1,000. Alright, so while I listen to this with you guys, I'm just gonna let this water for as long as it needs. Alright. Determination. Yeah, I know the song really good. There we go. Stronger than you. I can make a fancy tower. I remember last time I wasted a fancy tower. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about that. There are deleted footage. There's deleted footage again, but this time it's actually going to be a real video. Yay! Alright, I won't know how long I've been recording for, so give me... Alright, so I think I've been doing for about 15 minutes, so, I think I'll end this off when all this, I think I'll end, right, I have an idea. I'm gonna get really good wood. I get a really good amount of wood. Alright. And so I think that's a good place to end up this video, guys, after making all this into lumber. No. Alright. Hopefully I can get some more lumber while I'm just oh, this mini game. Common starfish. Come on. Yeah, common starfish. Alright. When I tried this mini game like 1 or 2 times, I think I'll end it. I'm really good at this game. I did it! First try! I think that's really good strategy though, you guys. So if you think otherwise, I don't care. So I think that's a good place to end this video. So goodbye, guys.